How long does a boiler last?
Father, no! Don't go!
Most boilers don't fail suddenly. They give warning signs for years. I'm Michael from BeFix, and here's what you need to know. On average, a boiler lasts between 10 and 15 years, depending on usage, maintenance, and water quality. Signs your boiler may be nearing the end include strange noises, losing pressure, frequent breakdowns, rising gas bills. Regular servicing can extend a boiler's life, but once repairs become frequent, replacement often makes more sense financially. Not every old boiler needs replacing, but ignoring the warning signs can lead to sudden failure. BeFix can inspect your boiler and tell you honestly whether it needs repairing or replacing. Call 020-805-84241 or visit befix.co.uk to book your service.